In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to avoid common hiccups so your funds land in your PayPal quickly and safely. Start by opening PrizePicks on your phone. You can use either iPhone or Android. If you prefer a computer, head to the PrizePicks website in your browser and sign in there. The experience is nearly the same across devices, so choose whatever's most convenient. Next, log into your account using your email or username and your password. Make sure you're signed in to the correct profile, especially if you manage more than one email. If you've forgotten your password, use the reset option before moving on so everything matches up correctly. From the home screen, look for your profile icon or the menu icon with 3 lines. Tap that, then go to the section labeled Wallet or Banking. PrizePicks may use slightly different wording, but you're looking for your account balance and transaction options. In that section, select Withdraw or Withdraw Funds to open the withdrawal screen. When prompted to choose a withdrawal method, pick PayPal. If you don't see PayPal as an option, don't worry. First, check that your account is eligible for withdrawals and, if needed, complete identity verification. Some regions and accounts require you to verify your identity before withdrawing. The app will guide you if that applies. Also, PayPal availability can vary by location and PrizePicks policies. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it's within your available balance. Pending entries or bonuses might not be withdrawable yet. If there's a minimum or maximum, the app will let you know. Double check that the PayPal email shown in PrizePicks matches the email on your PayPal account exactly. If it doesn't match, update it before you proceed to avoid delays. Tap Continue or Withdraw and review the summary. Look over the estimated arrival time and any fees that may apply. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. This is your last chance to catch typos or the wrong amount. After you confirm, PrizePicks will process the request and send funds to your PayPal. Transfers often arrive within minutes to a few hours, though times can vary based on verification, region, or system load. You should receive a confirmation email when it's complete. If you don't see funds right away, refresh your PayPal activity and keep an eye on your email for updates. That's it. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical PayPal tips and tutorials.